Look at that little face. He says, what's happening?
What are you guys doing?
You're just being cozy.
Giving kisses?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. It tickles.
He's so sweet.
Look at his little face. It's just a little guy.
That's what I was saying. His face is like especially cute.
I know. He's like, he moves like he's animatronic sometimes. He moves like this right now. He's like.
He just likes the scratches.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's good. He's wigging out. He's overheating. You okay?